Respected leaders, dear representatives and citizens of the world. The world today is filled with progress. We have advanced technology, medicine, and communication. We can connect across continents in seconds, and yet one shadow remains, the shadow of war. With all of our achievements, why do we still live with the fear of global destruction? Over 80 years ago, Hiroshima and Nagasaki gave us a warning. In only a few days, more than 200,000 people lost their lives. The survivors suffered not only from radiation, but from grief that lasted generations. Those bombs were powerful then. Today, nuclear weapons are thousands of times more powerful. A single mistake or act of aggression could erase entire nations, even humanity itself. War does not bring safety. It does not bring prosperity. Every dollar spent on a weapon is a dollar not spent on schools, hospitals, or protecting the environment. Every missile produced means fewer resources for food, clean water, and shelter. True security is not measured by armies, but by the health and dignity of people. And let me be clear, not all leaders are causing conflict. Some of you already chose dialogue, cooperation, and peace. But even if you are not part of the problem, you can still be part of the solution. Because no nation alone can stop the threat of nuclear war. Only together you can create a safer world. The dangers are rising. Tensions between powerful nations grow sharper. The fear of a third world war is alive in people's minds. But peace is not weakness. Peace is strength, discipline, and wisdom. It takes far more courage to lay down a weapon than to pick it up. So I call on you. Open new disarmament talks. Build stronger systems of diplomacy. Use your leadership to protect life, not destroy it. A victory in war may last a moment, but the loss of innocent lives lasts forever. Think of the generations to come. Children born today should not grow up under the shadow of nuclear war. They should grow up with hope, with safety, with the chance to live without fear. The world is watching you. Young people are watching you. We do not want to inherit division, destruction, and fear. We want to inherit unity, safety, and peace. The choice is yours. The responsibility is yours. The future of billions depend on what you decide today. As Albert Einstein once reminded us, peace cannot be kept by force, it can only be achieved by understanding. Thank you.